man, today we got 13 freaking tote bags and 7 overflows plus 11, 18. Let's go. All right, this is Didi, the animal right here. Yo, tell the people a little something.
Yeah, yo. Out here, bro. Driving, bro. Dropping my shit off, bumping the tunes, rocking out.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This guy's an animal. Whew, finally, end of the day. Was a good day today. Freaking, I love my job. I'm not gonna lie, my route was smooth. No hiccups. Well, a little bit, but we're fixed. And yeah, everybody got back safely, which was a really good thing. Go Team Baba. Shout out to you guys. Shooty.